Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Modern automobiles are absolute engineering marvels of mankind. The hundreds of mechanical moving parts are supported by a huge number of electronic components. All these electronic components are controlled by complex software. This is the reason why automobiles are a perfect example of multidisciplinary design. A modern car has more than 1,000 electronic components in it to ensure proper functioning. In the case of an electric car, the number is much higher. There are many electronic systems in a car. If one asks you to list down a few of them, the first thing you would probably list is the music system. Well, what if I told you that even the engine system of a car is electronic? A great example of this are the starter motor and the alternator that are present at the engine. A few examples of the other electronic systems are fuel injection system, anti-lock brakes, steering control, collision avoidance systems, air conditioning, navigation system, safety controls, security alarms, and much more. So in contrast, it would be justified for us to say that a car is similar to an electronic gadget like a mobile phone. If you look inside any of these systems, you will find many electronic parts and sensors seated on a board known as a printed circuit board. There are three major categories of electronics in a car. First are the passive components like resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Second is discrete semiconductor devices like diodes and transistors. And the third category is the integrated circuit, also known as a chip. These components are the building blocks of any electronic system, be it a laptop, its charger, or even the remote of your television. But there is a fundamental difference between consumer electronic systems and automotive electronic systems. The electronics in automobiles experience much harsher conditions than normal consumer ones due to the working conditions of automobiles. Therefore, automotive electronic parts have to be more robust and reliable. The operating temperature range of these components is also much higher, as most of them are directly exposed to the environment and are also much closer to the engine itself. To ensure that they don't fall in such extreme conditions, these parts must pass through stringent tests and quality checks before they are certified. The quality of these parts is governed by a council called the Automotive Electronics Council. They are also responsible for establishing standards for auto-grade electronic parts. AEC Q100, 101, and 200 are the major standards which are followed by manufacturers. Some manufacturing companies also assign different names to distinguish the automotive class electronic part, as they are required to have better endurance and adaptability to different environmental conditions. This increase in quality and reliability is not cheap either. Automotive electronics are generally much more expensive than consumer-grade electronics. Aerospace-grade electronic components are even more reliable and expensive than automotive ones. They are also known as aviation electronics or avionics. They comply with IEC 62239 and EIA 4899 standards. They are called aerospace qualified electronic components. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this, and until the next time, bye.